Hi, grade one, syllabus. Today it will be the last unit in your book. We can grade one, but before I will go to our syllabus today to end from the last unit in your book, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today it will be the last unit in your book. We can. I know that your exam it will be in. It will be in November, I think so. After that, after I end from this unit, I will make a revise. Follow me on the channel to know more about the exam. In this unit, we talk about my family. Let's learn together what's my family. Here we have here is the conversation. Let's read this conversation and know more about it. This is my brother Jake. Nice to meet you. I think now we know. Nice to meet you as a grading. We know before in the previous in the two previous unit. Okay. Nice to meet you too. This is my sister. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Okay. Here, let's go to another one. Make threes introduce each other. This is my friend Tad. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. So here replying by nice to meet you too. Okay. Expressing what? Expressing happens. Here is act one of the talks about introducing my brother. I can act one of talks about introducing my brother or sister. Introduce one friend to another. So here in this unit, we learn how to introduce my brother or my sister and introduce my friend to another friend. Another friend can't know the one who who is my friend. Okay, let's go to read this part in rhythms and sound. Here is where 5 little monkeys jump on bed, on fell off and bumped his head. Osh. Mom called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Here is the members of the family. Let's learn together. Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa. I will repeat and repeat after me. Mom, Dad, Grandma, and Grandpa. Here is we have a fine time here. So here we say I can shout, no more monkeys jumping on bed. Do the hand actions for 5 little monks chair. So here in this part, we learn how to obey my parents. Let's learn the members of the family here in this part. And in this rectangle, you draw your members of family. Here is grandpa, grandma, grandpa, grandpa, and you say grandpa and grandma can be collected in one word. It will be here grandparents. So we can here say grandparents. Okay, this is grandparents. Okay, here is grandparents. Here is grandparents. Here is grandparents. Okay, it's called grandparents. Here is mom and dad, brother and sister. This called what? This called parents. So this called parents. This called parents, and this called grandparents. You must know this. Here we have grandpa and grandma, grandparents, and here mom, dad, brother, and sister. These members of family called what? Called parents. You must know this. Okay. Let's continue the rest of our lesson today. Here is we have here is dad, mom. Have here 5 brothers and 6 brothers. Say we have here 2 brothers, 2 brother and sister. Here is brother and sister. Let's go to another one here. Here is we say put down your fingers on one by don't move them. Here is what? Here is grandma. Here is grandpa, dad, mom, brother and sister. I can play 5 fingers game, show a family drawing, and say who they are. Okay. Here is we have phonics. Let's learn this phonics. Apple, pear, cow. Apple, pear, cow. Duck, egg. Here is capital A and capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E. This is the letters that we write it here until letter E. This is capital A written like this. Capital B, capital C, capital D, and capital E. I see you how to write it, okay? So it's not difficult to do it. Here is apple, here is cow, here is egg, written in capital letter, pear, written in capital letter, dog, written in capital letter. Okay, let's go to another one here. Write in the air and ask your pair or your partner or your friend, as it is. Both are correct. What if this letter called what? This letter. I will write it to you. Here is capital A. It's an A, it's an E or C. It's not wrong. It's wrong. It will be here A, not any one of them. Make the sound of A, B, C, D, E. Write the letters A to E. I will write it for you. Here is capital A, here is big A, B, C, D, E. I will repeat and repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E. This is the letters until letter E. Okay. You can revise the alphabets at the end of the book. Okay, the alphabets is at the end of the book. You can revise by yourself. Okay. Here is the alphabet jungle. Let's read the alphabets and know the words related to every letter. Here is capital A and small A for apple. Capital B and small B for pear. Capital G. Here's don't have capital D. Here's capital D and small D for duck. Capital E and small E for egg. Capital F and small f for fish. Capital G and small g for goat. Capital H and small h for head. Capital I and small I for ink. Capital J and small j for jet. Capital K and small k for kiwi. L and small l for lion. Capital M and small m for monkey. Capital N and small n for nest. Capital O and small o for octopus. Capital B and small b for Ben. Capital Q and small q for quillet. Capital R and small r for rabbit. Capital S and small s for sun. Capital T and small t for tiger. Capital U and small u for umbrella. Capital V and small v for vase. Capital W and small w for wolf. Capital X and small x for fox. Capital Y and small y for yard. Capital Z and small z for zebra. This is the alphabet. Okay. Here is I repeat this. Don't repeat this again because I answered the same in the previous exercise. Okay. Let's go to make a quick revise on Unit 3. Here is we have an exercise. I would like to answer this exercise with you. Let's go to answer this exercise. Here is an umbrella. Which letter here refers to umbrella? Letter U. So I select this letter. Next one, it will be here sun. So I put here S, letter S. Fox, here it will be X. It will be here X. Not F. It will be here X. Fox. Written like this. I would like to, here is fox. So here is X. Fox. Here is quillet. So I put here letter Q. R. Here it will be rabbit. Here is wolf. Here is vase. Here is tiger. Okay. This is the letters here. Let's go to answer the rest of the question. Here it will be. Here I will write Q R S T Q R S. Here we have Q R S T U V W X. Here is in this question we can write these alphabets here. Okay, let's do this exercise together. Here we have brother. Which one is brother here? This one. So I select this one. Mom, which one is mom? This one. Which one is sister? This is a sister. Which one is dad? The last one. Let's go to another item here. Here we have the numbers, and we select the suitable numbers for the suitable number in the can counting, and put the suitable number in the suitable picture. Here is rabbit. Here is 2 rabbits. Which one is 2 here? Number C. So I put here, I write here C. This is 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be here number B. Excellent. You are clever pupils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be here 6. Number A. You are clever people. I'm listening you saying Miss Imani counted 6. Here is how many books here? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. To be here 3. So I select number D. Select here number D. Okay. Today we end from our unit 3. Wait me for a great revise on the 3 units. I hope to benefit and enjoy our videos today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.